Hi, this is Lily and welcome again. It's so wonderful to have you join me. Thank you for clicking onto my YouTube. I'm here to share with you about something I've just come across, and it's called TRX farming. You're farming for crypto coins. Absolutely wonderful. I've just joined today. And I think it's amazing. I really do, because I can look at, I'm just showing you the numbers right here. Now you can see here how these numbers are just trickling in so fast. TRX farming, that's mining all the coins here, right here. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, firstly and foremost, if you want to join this amazing system, go into Binance under my links, under this YouTube here, there's my links underneath there. Please sign up with Binance through my links. That's so important. And also sign up to TRX Farming with my links. That is so important. But look at this. This is amazing. So firstly, just join Binance, join TRX, and the farming will start. Isn't that amazing? So this system here, I've just joined today, and I've seen how amazing it is. I was referred to it by someone, and I think, you know what, I think it's amazing, because I've never seen anything so fast happening right in front of my eyes. See the mining now, these numbers, it's so, look at it, it's so amazing. So if you want to join, please, you must join up to Binance first. Sign up with Binance under my link, and then sign up with TRX under my link as well. And then the journey will start with the system that is trickling in. You see, the more you mine, the more you will receive, and the more that you can bank into Binance. So this is the mining system here, the TRX, that will, the more coins you get, and then after that you will transfer it into your bank account, which is Binance. That's so important. That's all you need to know. Keep it simple. The system is simple, and the system is free. Please just make sure that you join under me. That is so important. Don't forget Binance first before you can start mining. TRX mining, that is what it is. How to purchase a miner and speed the TRX mining. Everything is in this system that you need to know. You can just go in and click onto all these things here, but this is the Binance, the platform right here. This is where you can come in and join up with this bank account here, and that's the very first thing you do. Then you're going to take this address over across to TRX after you join up. When you join up with TRX, these things are so important. This is the system that will, I think it's going to be amazing, absolutely amazing. So if you want to come along to this journey with me, firstly, join up with Binance. Get that link, the deposit, copy the deposit link from Binance, take it across over to the TRX, which is here, right up here, and join. It's so important. Thank you again for coming to check out my YouTube videos. It's a pleasure to see you here, and I hope that you can come on this journey with me. Thank you. Bye for now.